Hey students, have you ever struggled with getting your paper to be correctly formatted according to the Turabian style? Maybe your professors keep hounding you about margins or spaces or footnotes or bibliography. In this quick video, I want to show you a couple things that will be very helpful to you. If you go to our website, ccbs.edu, and go to the Writing Center page, which is under the current students tab, Academic Services, Writing Center, or you can go to our library. You'll scroll down and you'll see that there's several things here. There's examples about Turabian. There's the writing guidelines. You'll see here a tip sheet that you can download. We also refer to our style guide. There's a lot of things for you to understand. But one of the things that we've done, in addition to some videos, is we've made a template for you. So if you go into Populi and go up into our Files section up at the top, you'll see a folder. I think it shows up just immediately for you. I have access to some things that you don't. But go to the one that's for everyone. You'll see there's a document called Turabian 9 Paper Template 2020. It hadn't really changed, so that's fine. But if you open this up and go to the top corner where the three dots are, then you can download this document. Now, it's going to download to different places on your computer depending on if you're on a Mac or PC or how you have it set up. But regardless of that, if you go back and open the template, you're going to see that all this information is already there and set up for you. So this is a wonderful gift. The title page is already formatted. We've already set the margins for the entire document. Everything is Times New Roman font. Everything is 12-point font. You'll see the title page is already set up. You just need to fill it in with your information. You'll see that even the page numbers are set to start on number 1 on the first page of your paper, not actually on your title page. So many students mess that up. And then you'll see we have actually put in some text in here. Now you should read the text. I don't have time to read it in this video, but it explains things like the first sentence should be indented like a normal paragraph with a tab. It'll explain things about the footnotes, and even here it shows you what a footnote should be like, and it talks about the spacing, the size, etc. Even gives you a sample footnote. So if you've never done a footnote, there's the example for a book. And you need to follow that information. And then if you read through, you'll actually see there are things like block quote samples here. You'll see that there are headings, the different heading styles that are there. So if you have multiple levels, your level 1 headings would be center bold, like the level 1 Roman numeral ones in an outline. Then if you have things like that are second level, like capital A, capital B, capital C, then you would use this particular style. And what's really neat here is that all these things are already preset as to the style. So for example, if I go up here and I'm going to use my style area up here, I'm going to change this for sake of showing it to you. Let's say I've written this in just a normal spacing, but I know it's a block quote, and I know, oh, it's going to be indented a ½ inch, single space, blah, blah, blah. Well, if you go up and you highlight the section that is a block quote, if you go up to the top, this little section here, we've already pre-designed some of these. So there's a bibliography one, a block quote, footnote, your different headings. Now, we've not used all these, but some of these are very basic. And there's your block quote. And if I highlight the text and select that, notice what happens. It becomes single space. It becomes ½ inch indent. It becomes a block quote. The same thing is true with your footnotes. If I were to just insert these normal and these were all just in here like that, I could go in there, hit Control A, which highlights all of my footnotes. Then I could go up here and find the one that's for footnote entry. And when I check that box or select that, everything's going to turn to 10 points. It's going to indent on the first line. It's going to put space between it. It's going to be the right format of your footnotes. And again, this is true even for your bibliography. If I show you the bibliography section and turn that to normal, this is how you would normally type it in. And then let's even change it up. Let's make it 3 and let's do some other stuff to it, right? Now it's all weird. So I come up here and here's the option for bibliography. When I do that, it puts it in the right format. It gives it the hanging indent. It puts the space between, single space within. Everything helps you. Everything is pre-formatted to help you do it correctly. Now, my last comment before I sign off is that you really need to read what it says, because it explains some of the information that I'm explaining verbally in the actual content here. And including that is a little bit of information about how to cite the Bible, for example, and then what to do with your heading. So take time to learn how to use the Turabian template. It is designed to help you not get bad grades because of your Turabian style and format. So check it out today in Populi.